Hey everybody, it is Lee Goldenberg, your family wellness chiropractor. I'm here with Teresa. Today we're talking about a question that a lot of people ask me and Teresa in the office, and they want to know what can they do to support their care at home. And of course I always tell people this over and over, but it's really good to actually have this video to refer back to, so hopefully you'll gain something out of this. What is the biggest goal in our office is to get pressure off the nerves, to help the body heal, to help it do what it's supposed to do. So ideally when the spine is out of alignment, we're going to restore that proper alignment to allow these nerve openings to be as clear as they can be so your body can heal and function the way it's meant to be. What most people have when I first see them, this is the spine, this is the person looking this direction. Usually they'll have a reverse or a straightness in their neck, the curve. The curve is either reverse or straight. It's putting pressure on all the joints and it's affecting the nervous system, the spinal cord especially. And it's affecting the way the brain can signal. So how do we help that? Well, we start getting the body adjusted and start to correct that through specific corrective chiropractic care. But then you have to do some homework. This is why the first day you're here in your first adjustment, we give you a roll that is basically about a 4-inch cylinder that you lay underneath your neck to start getting the curve back in the neck. So the ideal curve actually looks like this. You see that there's a nice smooth banana shape here. There's good space up here between the skull and the atlas and C2. Those are really healthy joints, and it's because there's no health in crooked. You got to have a nice smooth curve, and it's got to be straight from front to back in order for the body to be as healthy as it can be. So one of the things we're going to talk about today is how to do some care at home. So we've started buying these devices. They're about $20, I think. And it is a device called an orthosis or an orthotic, kind of like what you'd put in your shoes, right, to help correct the alignment of the feet. But this is for the neck, where you can actually lay over it and start to get a nice curve in your neck, on top of what you would do with the roll once you've gotten used to the roll. Then you do something a little more intense like this, and I'm going to show you how we do it with Teresa here. So we put this orthotic right underneath the lower part of her neck, and she lays there. And the first day she might lay there for 2 or 3 minutes, and then add about 30 to 40 seconds each day laying there, and its goal would be probably 15 minutes to help start correcting the curve in the neck. So that gets pressure off the joints, that opens up the disc spaces, gets healing, healthy signaling from the brain through the neck to the rest of the body. So this is a really great tool that you can get here. You could probably learn how to make one yourself if you were really industrious, but I would suggest maybe checking this out first before you start guessing. And if you have questions about it, I'm going to show you how to do this in the office so you don't put it in the wrong spot or hit the wrong area of the neck, because we want to be very specific on how we do this. So if you have any questions, call us, 205-981-8090. I'm going to let her take a nap for a little bit, and then we'll adjust her later. So I'll see you in the office. Thanks so much.